So one of the first research which came from our lab was that hypoxia, which is known that these tumors are very hypoxic. They usually do not get a lot of oxygen, and that makes them worse or more aggressive. So they can survive in these kind of hypoxic conditions. How they do that is by modulating certain proteins which help them do that. And galectin is one of the hypoxia responsive genes, like it gets induced during hypoxia. So that was the initial paper which came out from our lab, and we found that having it always correlated with hypoxic regions in the tumor. So then it was to understand what is it doing to actually cause the tumors to be more aggressive. So then we found that the T cell responses in these tumors are very much limited when you have a higher levels of galectin. And we also looked at patient samples, like we did a trial with radiation where we had people who are treated with radiation, and radiation can actually upregulate this protein, which is really not what we want, but it's like a side effect of radiation therapy. So we see radiation going with radiation treatment, galectin levels going up, and that can in fact be bad. So we were thinking that if we target this, maybe we'll get a better immune response to work in these tumors. So this was the whole interest, and then eventually we started studying more about how it affects these T cells and how it's trying to block immune response, and that's how this whole story came about. Yeah.